Long story short, I have scratched the lens of my AKASO V50x, and now I will change them into the new ones that I've just purchased through Shopee. And with this product, I will be linking this in the description below so that you can also purchase this. So as you can see on my V50x, you can see the scratches here, there, and it's pretty bad up to the point that it has already smudged the video quality that I'm getting. So I'm gonna teach you how to change this lens to replace this lens with only using glue and a set of drivers. So first things first is we will open up this unit. So the easiest way that I've discovered is that you open the battery bay, you take out the battery, and then you can notice that there are two clips here, here, and here. And we'll try to open it up. We pry it up so that you can open the front face. There. Now that we have opened the front face of the camera, we will try to remove the lens so that we can replace it with a new one. But you have to be aware because the lenses here, it is fixed by glue. You see here? But you can gently clean this off until it remains a little strip, and that way we can remove the lens. So now I have removed most of the glue from the lens of the thread. Now it's just a battle of negotiating your way to take this off. There. Now it will easily come off in a counterclockwise movement. So I'm just gonna put this upside down and we'll try to install this new one. So this is the new one that I've bought. And we'll try to install it now. Also make sure that when installing you don't take out the protective covering so that you will not damage the lens. Now the job is done. And now we are just getting into the hardest part, which is to focus the lenses. So what you need to do is, if you have a computer at home or a laptop at home, we will take a USB cable and you will insert it into the USB port here and use the camera as a webcam for the laptop so that you can know if your camera is in focus. So before you adjust your lens, we will apply a little bit of glue on the threads of your new lens. Now we'll just apply a little bit of glue around the thread. And we'll attach it back on the camera. And there you have it. Now let's go back to adjusting the lens. As you can see here, it is out of focus, and what you'll do is just to move the lens in a counterclockwise or a clockwise move depending on the clarity of your camera. Preferably, it is advised that you focus on objects that are 4 feet away from you. And that's it. Simply set the glue dry and return the front face of the camera and you're good to go. And thanks for watching.